All right, hello, guys. It's your Dreaded Crypto Channel coming at you. It's May 17th, 2022. Doing a quick little daily recap, seeing what's going on out there in the world. Bitcoin's reclaimed 30K. My theme over the last, few weeks really is that Bitcoin's been going sideways for the last year. We stay above 30K. It's looking pretty good that we'll probably reclaim it, but we'll see if we kind of look closer. I mean, it's still in a bear market, so what could happen very well. I imagine this summer will be a accumulation. I think we'll have a little rally right now, and then once the Fed comes out and hikes the rates again, we'll probably come back down to retest. But I see us coming up to this old, just this, so support line. We'll probably come up to it, then get rejected, then come back down. And do we go lower or do we go higher? Again, Bitcoin has never gone down below to test its previous high before. 3 times out of, this would be the fourth, so 75% chance that we don't go down to 20K. If we do go down to 20K, you should be so lucky. I mean, those are great levels to accumulate. But that will also that will kill a lot of the altcoins and the altcoin speculation. So just have to be prepared for that. Like, whatever altcoins you're in, make sure you believe in them. And what I've been preaching really is like good L1s, ones that are paying you interest. My portfolio, like really, I'm trying to put a lot of stuff into, I guess, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Really, Link, ADA. You could stake that on Daedalus or on other exchanges, 5 to 6%. That's pretty damn good. Ethereum is 4 to 5%. Bitcoin is 3 to 4%. On a lot of exchanges, you can get that kind of interest on them. Then there's like coins like Ontology, you get 20% on Exodus Wallet. What else is high on that one? Algorand is 10% on Exodus Wallet. Atomic is 10 to 15%. Exodus Wallet, there's Atomic Wallet, you can get Zilliqa 15%. I mean, those are great returns. You put them in, put some money in there, and then you're getting the interest. And then over time, you're building on that. It's exponential. And I feel like those coins that are giving out interest have better fundamentals. Maybe not all of them survive. Maybe a few of them do die. But you spread yourself up and you have a good diversified portfolio. I mean, I up until recently, I probably had 100, 120 coins. I think I've got it down to like 50, maybe just 70 coins. If you have a coin, you don't know what it is or what it does, you probably shouldn't have it. You should definitely want to believe in whatever coins you have. But yeah, 30,341. I guess we could take a little look at the closer the time. Also, what people are really talking about right now are the volume spike we just had. Volume spikes tend to mark tops and bottoms. And we've been in this bearish trend for quite a while, and I would say that was capitulation bottom. Again, we could come back and retest it. Maybe we go a little bit lower, but more than likely we're going to be stuck in this range. We're going sideways. And the total market cap also is just like, on the last bull market top, I believe crypto hit 800 billion. And we're holding at 1.3 trillion. Like if we go back to retest has this space gone nowhere in the last 4 years? No, it's leaps and bounds. So for us to go back to say 1 trillion or 800 billion, it just doesn't make any sense. It's been a coordinated effort in a lot of ways to FUD everybody out. The interest rates. I mean, I think we've been sort of in a bear market for the last year. It's been going sideways. So take that as you will. That's definitely my opinion. I thought it was just kind of interesting looking at this in the back. Like, look how much volume was going on in the old bull market. Of course, this is Bitcoin, and it's not just Bitcoin anymore. There's Ethereum and all the other coins. There just really has not been that much volume. It's been give or take sideways for a good while. Of course, that's on the Bitfinex chart. Also, the U.S. dollar seems to be topping out. There's a bearish divergence forming that many are talking about. And look at this. I mean, this is like Bitcoin when it goes parabolic. more than likely we've topped out. I just don't. I don't see it going much further up. Um, but maybe we do. Maybe we come down. Maybe we test some support, then rally back up. Either way, if we come back down, that's going to have Bitcoin rally at least to like probably 38 to 40K. That's what I'm thinking. I think, and then maybe we come back down to test 30,000 or 25,000 the rest of the year. And I still think as long as we don't go down to 20K, we hold this 30K level. I think we can go down. We can go up to 50K by the end of the year. Maybe 60. 2023 might be pretty bullish. So that's where I'm at. It's also depending on do we get in a confirmed recession and do people actually use Bitcoin as the gold hedge? And if that happens in the next couple of months, then Bitcoin will run. Bitcoin will run hard probably to the end of the year, to 2023. Altcoins probably won't as much because they're more high risk on. And then once maybe we come out of this recession, people will start going in more speculative altcoins. Something to think about. I think that's a really good theory that I'm working on. Let's see. Yeah, and I still haven't posted any mining videos yet, but I mine on T-Rex, I mine on NiceHash, and I have I mine helium on the Panther miner. I'm in a metropolitan area, 300,000 people. There's a little bit of competition. Like I should be getting probably $3 a day. I'm getting about $1.50 a day right now. That's a current market value, and helium's gotten hit pretty hard, so money will add up. The miner itself was like $400, so in a year it should pay itself off very easily, even at current market value. But you gotta kind of go in it with mining with a 6-month to 12-month time horizon. I do basically GPU mining right now, and I could resell the cards later, but I have to be making money else because the cards depreciate in value over time. But I have a couple of videos I want to hopefully post here pretty soon about those. Chainlink is an insanely good buy. It went to $50 and then it crashed down to 5. So, I think a 10x from here back to 50 over the next couple of years, very easily done. Maybe within the next year, because Link is an extremely important asset. It's an oracle. It basically helps to feed real-world price data into the blockchain. I'm not exactly sure how that exactly works, but that's what it does, and it's Microsoft is involved. It's so oversold, it's ridiculous. Look at that chart. It almost looks like Luna. DOT also, you can get up to 8 to 12% rewards on DOT on Crypto.com. I've had a Crypto.com card for about a year. It's been really great. Very user friendly. It's Visa. You can take it anywhere. You manage your accounts with it. You can take your crypto, put that into your US dollar account, and just swipe it up the road where you want to go. So very cool app. And a lot of the good coins you'd stake 3 to 5% on it. DOT's 10 to 12%. I think Matic might be 8%. I'm on CELCIUS as well, but CELCIUS, unfortunately, you have to be a millionaire to be able to get any interest on those coins. I'm guessing the SEC cracked down on them, or maybe it was just them. Also, blockchain mining stocks got completely brutalized, and after the comments today, Powell they're sounding a little more dovish in a way, and I think the market's taking that as maybe we've reached some kind of a stock market bottom, and if that's true, then crypto should be starting to rally as well because it's connected to the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ it's almost been a 1-to-1 correlation, like 95% correlation between NASDAQ and crypto. S&P as well. I think the correlation mainly is with NASDAQ, because NASDAQ and tech stocks, and tech has got totally killed. So, I mean, if you're looking to try to get, tech stocks, Tesla, ARK Invest is heavily into blockchain. Ledger, there's some blockchain stocks. I think Block is one. Mara, Riot, Hive, Can. Those are all like mining crypto companies. DeFi got really hit. I've actually been allocating some my portfolios into more DeFi related stuff, because DeFi Link is a kind of precursor. I think Link's going to start rallying a little bit, start showing life, and then that might bring DeFi back to life. Will it happen by the end of the year? Will it be next year? I don't know. but for personally, I'm just mainly stacking Bitcoin and Ethereum, Link, ADA, anything that is giving rewards. Ontology, Zilliqa, Atom, which is Cosmos. You can pretty much Google them, but just make sure you stick with the mainstays, the big coins. I mean, there's 20,000 coins or 18,000 coins. Like only the good ones are going to survive this whole thing. And if we just go sideways, maybe go sideways and down for a while, that's going to kill a lot of projects. So, I was going to talk about something. Yeah, total market cap. Yeah, so we've been going sideways. This is very similar. I think I mentioned this in the last video. But like we have these sideways consolidations, sideways consolidations, and then we have rallies, and we didn't have a blow off top. We didn't go completely crazy parabolic. Yeah, maybe here we did, and we came down, we consolidated, and we're consolidating again. We're creating like a giant bull flag, really. And just curious, let's see what that would do. If this was a giant bull flag, a huge bull flag, let's see. Let's see and project. This is very rudimentary technical analysis, but let's see what kind of price target we would maybe have. I already have it kind of drawn out, but let's see. Let's see. Taking it down. Take it to the breakout. 12K or 10K? We'll go conservative. We'll say the breakout was like 12K. That's where the big volume VPVR support is. 11.5, 12K. Okay. All right, now we're going to take it to here. I'm being pretty conservative here too. And I drew these lines, these lines of price targets a couple of years ago. So I mean, I saw this coming. I should have made a lot more money, but you get caught in the FUD and caught in life. But that would give us a target of 180K. Personally, not trying to be predictions or anything like that, but assuming we hold 30 and we consolidate the rest of the year, maybe go back to test 50 and 60K, we will probably have a breakout to 120 to 150K. My take profits are between 100 and 120K, but I mean, we could go to 200K. I really don't want that, because that means the U.S. dollar's tanking, and we probably are firmly in a recession of some sort. And, hopefully it's not like that, but things need to change. We need blockchain technology. We need these things to bring us some clairvoyance and the data manipulation, and we need transparency with where is the money going, who's making the money, the wars and everything are fought over money. Everything is about money and resources, and the manipulation of that. So maybe we'd be able to make the world a little better. I don't know, or maybe it'd be worse. I don't know. But it seems like that's where we need to go if we're going to create a better world and go somewhere positive as a society instead of wrecking each other like we have been, especially over the last few years. Let's see, but I don't know what else to really. The total market cap. And I do apologize. I am pretty tired, and it's been a long day. Gold and silver have been barely doing anything. I guess they've been better performers than the stock market, but the stock market's down 30%. Kind of curious to see what gold and silver do. Maybe they rally with Bitcoin a little bit with the traditional system. If recession is confirmed, gold and silver will likely rally, 10, 20, 50%, maybe. But here's the total market cap. It's also sideways, but it doesn't really look so great. I just haven't looked at this in a while. This is total market cap, crypto market cap. So if this was to be a head and shoulders pattern, this would be the neckline. If it can draw, come on now. Maybe it doesn't want to draw. Well, anyway, the head and shoulders target would be at the previous all-time high, like I was saying earlier, about 800 billion. It could happen. The thing is, you really if we go down to 20K, that's a buying opportunity. You know, I'd be very surprised, you know, if we come down to this 800 billion. That would basically mean Bitcoin went to 20K. But the thing is, we also didn't get much consolidation in these parts, so there is a gap there. It just, you know, again, these are the times when you accumulate. You don't know how low it's going to go. You don't know how this is all going to pander out. And it might be 6 months. It might be a year. I'm thinking it's going to be a few months. This cycle is different. So, also Theta, that specializes in live video feed. It's supposed to be working with YouTube. Live Peer is the other version of that. Theta got wrecked, so probably at some good buying points right now. New Cipher, not really sure what that does. I forget. I do have some. Not honoring my previous advice. Let's see. Take a look at the VPVR support. Again, like 12K is like the biggest spike on the weekly, and like if we go down there, the whole system broke, you know. But I think we're going to basically build new support in this region. But you know, the areas to really look out for. We need to get above 40K. If we want to get into a full bull market mode, 40K is that. Now, it would make sense, like I was saying earlier, that we rally, we go up to 40K, 38, 40K, get everyone real hype, and then we get smacked down back to 30 or 25. And that'll be the summer, just bouncing around in that area, just like you know, the 2019, 2018 bear market back in here. You know, that could definitely be a thing. You know, it's just, where's the money going to come from? Stock market is sitting on 70% cash. Investors are buying this stuff. Retail is not going to come in until they start making money again and get reassured. So, we'll see. A lot of blood. A lot of blood. I think we're going to get some interesting action coming up soon. Let us hope. Anyway, that's it for me today. If I come up with some new stuff, I'll post again later. Crypto Fear and Greed Index was at pretty much an all-time low yesterday at 8. You know, these Fear and Greed Index marks are just insane. This is what we'll top off with today. This is the 1 year. I mean, we are at complete lows. I mean, we are at the lows of the COVID dump. Monthly RSI is oversold. Weekly RSI is also. I mean, yeah, we may be staying in these levels for a while, but it's not going to be long. In 3 months, we're already 6 months into this downtrend, and generally the bear markets last a year. So, and also some people were thinking that we were already in it for a year, and I think we kind of were. I mean, people were talking about hype coins and meme coins for the longest time. Like, those don't do anything. I'm just like so annoyed with hearing about them. But yeah, that's where we're at, and it's great times to accumulate. All I'm gonna say. All right, peace out, and hopefully talk to y'all tomorrow.